Sophie, it's too small for me.
It's not too small.
Yay!
Let's try again. Ready?
Sophie, it's too small for my head.
Don't, babe. Take it off. She said no. No, babe, stop it. Nobody wants to wear it, honey. You can wear it, though. Come here. Watch Sissy. She's trying to walk. Come here. Oh, yeah, that's so cute. Okay, you need to get out of the way. We're trying to teach Sissy how to walk, okay? Okay. Come here.
We're coming.
Yay!
Okay, we'll change your diaper.